refine, instantly blur, balance.
Meet the Strawberry BHA Pore-Smooth Blur Drops.
Pore treatment and blurring primer hybrid.
To visibly control oil and minimize pores for a soft, focused satin finish.
Created with
Tapioca and rice to instantly blur pores.
Encapsulated BHA and strawberry enzymes to help refine pores and smooth uneven texture.
a plankton-derived pore minimizer and strawberry leaf extract to help visibly reduce pore size and excess oil over time.
A dermatologist-tested formula that is clinically proven to balance and reduce oil production.
My skin looks and feels so hydrated and smooth with a satin glow look.
Here's how to use the Strawberry BHA Pore-Smooth Blur Drops.
Pore treatment. Gently pat onto cleansed and toned skin morning and night until fully absorbed to target excess oil and refine the appearance of pores. Follow with your favorite moisturizer.
Pore blurring makeup primer. Apply a thin layer to skin as your pore blurring makeup primer to control oil throughout the day and achieve a soft, focused satin glow.
Strawberry BHA Pore-Smooth Blur Drops.
Your favorite pore treatment and blurring primer all in one.
For a soft, focused satin look that lasts all day and all night.
I'm obsessed with this.
Pore blurring in a flash.